In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace a Diaper Genie refill bag, and I'm also going to give you guys a review. I have the Diaper Genie right here, so let's just go ahead and get started. As you guys know, all the way at the bottom, you have the lever, the kick lever. All you do is push it, the top comes up, and then all you have to do is, this is the old one, we're just going to go ahead and throw that away. And what you're going to have to do is push this little lid right here, and it just comes off like so. This is also trash. And then here, all we're gonna do is pull, just like so. We're gonna pull all the way around, okay? We got enough right there. And then we're gonna place it on top, and we're gonna push the bag all the way through, okay? And then now this front, it has a little button. All you do is push it and then kind of pull like so. And then you kind of just reach for the bag, okay? So it's pulling down, pulling down. Every time you pull down, you know, the bag is gonna actually pull from here. And then anytime you pull a diaper in there, then it's actually going to go down in there, okay? You want to make sure that you put a knot at the very end of this bag, because if you don't, the diapers are just going to fall right out of there. So make sure you put a knot and a tight knot. Not only do you want it a tight knot because of the diaper falling through there, but you don't want the smell getting out. So definitely make that a tight knot, and then make sure it reaches all the way at the bottom. That way you could fill this whole thing with diapers right here. And the diapers, if you have a newborn, there's going to be smaller diapers, and it's going to last, this bag is going to last a lot longer because the diapers are smaller. But if you have a toddler, of course, the diapers are bigger, so it's not going to hold as much, and you're going to run through the bags a lot faster, okay? So my review is, I love the Diaper Genie. It keeps all the smell and all that stuff inside here, and then it's easy to replace. I just showed you guys how to do it. Now when you want to actually take the bag out, all you have to do is pull it like so. You cut this with scissors. You cut it like so, then you tie another knot. And then this is gonna be where all the diapers are gonna be at. You trash that, and then the knot's gonna go all the way at the bottom, and then you just keep at it again. So very simple. I love whoever invented this, great invention, and I like it. So I definitely recommend this product to you guys.